Hey guys, Mackie Z here, and I know that I did a recording earlier of me on the joining the keyboard. Got a few views, but oh, um, still be they'll be good. So put comments in that section. But anyways, right now, what I am going to do is I am actually going to play some funny noises that I noticed on my keyboard. So there you go. Start out with DJ.
DJ. Go.
This is not really funny, but this is pretty nice. Listen. No. Not the. This. I can play with no hands. Play with no hands. Play with no hands. It has a screen on the thing on the keyboard, and it plays. It shows the notes. That's kind of what it looks like, and I just set it right here. Anyways, what I'm trying to say is I got some funny things, and stay tuned, guys. Peace out.